Professional tip. Small businesses can use YouTube Shorts to showcase products and offers. Engagement stat. Comments and likes happen 2x faster on YouTube Shorts compared to regular videos. Music tip. Catchy tunes can make your shorts more memorable. Experiment with different genres. Content idea. Use YouTube Shorts for behind-the-scenes clips, giving your audience an insider look. Did you know? You can add video effects and text in the YouTube Shorts camera to spice up your content. Thanks for watching this video. I have prepared 15-module complimentary course on the topic exploring the world of YouTube Shorts for businesses. Grab your copy by clicking the link given in description. And don't forget to like and share this video and hit the bell icon so you can get all updated videos in future.